Hey there. A few miles into the run-in of this kit. No, actually. Well, 40 miles, which is more than I thought. But 40 miles in to the big bore kit break-in, and about my second tank of fuel. This tank has just standard gasoline. Today, my idle was very low. I don't know if it had to do with humidity or I don't know what it was, but anyway, figured I'd turn over. Maybe I'd show you what it sounds like. So, kind of lumpy, about 1,300 RPMs. Has an odor to it, which really smells like fuel. When I accelerate, the throttle, you might see a little bit of white smoke. It rides good. It's responsive. So anyway, bring the camera over. Yeah. So. Let me turn on the light. Let's see. Exhaust. I gotta get on the throttle. How are we gonna do this? I'm gonna try to point this at the exhaust. Look at that. Alright, now I'm gonna get on the throttle. Might be oil, I don't know. I think it's gasoline. Maybe we'll know. Anyway, that's that. I'll turn it off. Alright, I'm gonna look at the video and see what that looked like.